just looking at your timetable now. What group are you? Engineering, IFI January Engineering. So it looks like you start off Monday with physics, and then is that what you had this week as well? No, we didn't have physics on Monday morning, did we? Okay, well look, the good thing is your Monday looks good. It looks like you have physics, and then you have Lorraine, and then that's it.
Lorraine? Teacher
Group tutorial.
Monday?
Yeah.
Monday.
No, listen. I told you that the timetable next week will be the timetable you have for the next, whatever, the rest of the semester, the 10 weeks, you know. Because this week was only temporary because, you know, it's like first week, introduction, getting started. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
But the next week timetable will be the final timetable for the rest of the semester. So I'm looking at it now and I'm telling you, your IFI January Engineering, yes, you start the day with a double physics, and then you have Lorraine, group tutorial and individual tutorial. But then you have a half day. I'm looking at your Tuesday. Starts off with a double physics, and then you have Neil for EAP.
Teacher, can you connect to this laptop?
Oh no, this isn't official yet. He's sending it to the teachers first, and then to the students. So
Okay.
then you have EAP after lunch, and then a placement tutorial about your universities.
So what time?
Wednesday, chemistry, physics, lunch, academic skills. Sit down. I'm telling you.
Teacher,
Thursday, chemistry, maths. Thursday looks good. You have a double lunch on Thursday, 2 hours. And then chemistry drop in and math support. So your Thursday, if you don't need extra chemistry and maths, might be a half day. And then Friday, chemistry, physics, lunch, and then maths.
Teacher, what time until what time? Every day.
Every day?
Yeah.
Let me check, okay. So Monday, 9 to 1. Yeah.
Afternoon?
No. Tuesday, first it's 9, and then lunch at 1 o'clock, and then 2 to 5.
Wow.
Okay. Wednesday looks like you have 9, and then lunch at 1 o'clock. Then you have 2 to 4, but that class might not be every week. It's called academic skills. It's to help you with your coursework. Wednesday looks like 9, and again lunch at 1 o'clock, but the double lunch, then it's 2 to 4. But those classes might also be extra classes, yeah. You might not have to do those all the time. And then Friday is 9 to 11. Then you have an hour break at 11, and then you have a physics. Then you have another break, and then a double maths, which is now just like double maths, and then you finish at 4. So this timetable doesn't seem that bad. I mean, I suppose the worst thing about it is you're in every morning at 9 o'clock. But the good thing is you're not here every day until 5 o'clock. And you have a half day on Monday, do you know?
But other day is until the 5 o'clock.
Yeah, so it can't be half day every day, you know.
Teacher, I think it's
Monday looks really good for you.
Yeah.
Okay, you do a double
Very
physics,
good.
double tutorial, and then you go home.
Teacher,
Yeah.
I think Tuesday
Nice.
and Friday need a half day.
Why Tuesday and Friday?
Because it is a cinema half price.
Yeah, okay.
It's a good reason.
No.
Yes.
Right, okay. Where will we start? What's the first problem you want to see that you had trouble with? Guys, what page? What's first? Page 8. 8. Who, are you asking me this, Abdul Rahman? Who's asking me this? Oh, Marwan, yeah. Page 8, which one?
Question number 4.
I thought so. Let's have a look at that. Okay.
What is using
Gauss.
ghost?
No, Gauss, not Ghost.
Hypothesis.
Yeah. Right. Okay, can you all look up, please? Please, some.
I'm tired.
Page 8, question 4a. We're going to do that one now. Are you all looking? Yeah. So what's this? 2 over 7 minus 3 over 5 minus 5 over 9, yeah?
Yeah.
2 over 9
Yeah.
minus a half and 5 over 7. The heck? Oh yeah, delete that. Right. Okay. What will I do first? Well, I like that both of these are 2's. That's nice. But what I don't like is the 7 and the 9. Yeah? So I could multiply this by 9, and I could multiply this by 7. But also, if I do that, I'll still be left here with a 5. So I could multiply this by 5, but the problem is that will change this 2. And I want them both to be the same. So I should also multiply this by the 5. However, I don't want this 2 here. So I need to multiply this by 2. And then I'll have to multiply this by 2. What's 5 times 2? 10 times 9? 90. And this one? 70. So watch what happens if I multiply by 90 and 70. This will become, Marwan? 2 7s times 90. And maybe, Abdul Rahman, you could do the second row. Tell me what you get. 2 7s times 90.
It's like not
No.
Impossible. I thought I...
100. It's like, I think it's opposite.
Oh, I have it the wrong way, don't I? Sorry.
Opposite.
Sorry.
It's like times
70 and 90.
Yeah.
I wrote them down wrong. Sorry, 70 and 90. Okay. 20, is it? For the first one?
Yes.
20. And then 5, 14, 44? Sorry, 42, is it? 42?
42, yeah.
And then the last one?
It's not.
38.88.
It's like not extra.
Oh, rats. Hang on. Okay, let's think about this again. No, hang on,
Probably it's,
no. Let me hang on. I just need a moment to collect my thoughts. Okay, right. Let's try this again. I would need to have a 7
5.
and a 9.
Yeah.
I don't want the 5, so I need to have a 5 and a 5. I don't want the 9. I forgot about that. I need to have a 9 and a 9. I don't want the 2.
2.
I need a 2 and a 2.
There's already been 9.
The 7.
So
Yeah, I don't want the 7.
7.
A 7 and
7.
7. Okay, sorry. What's wrong? I don't need what?
You know,
I need that 9 to get rid of that.
I never use this.
I need that
it's like
7 to get rid of that. I need that 2 to get rid of that.
why you need 9?
This 9.
Yeah, you have 2 9.
but it's like
I know, but I want to keep this the same.
Yeah. It's not. It's
It
like,
just you can use
yeah, it's
1 9.
correct. It's correct.
Oh,
But
okay.
it's like confusing.
Yeah.
Because like the first row it has 2 7 and the second line is like 2 9 is coming from there.
Yeah. No, I know why it's confusing. The reason I have so many numbers is to do 2 jobs. Job 1, I need to cancel all these fractions.
Yeah.
But job 2, I want to keep these the same.
The first 2.
Oh, yeah.
The first 2. Yeah. Marwan, what's 75927 multiplied? 4410. And then 95927? What's that one?
5670.
56.
70.
Right. Now let's multiply. 2 sevens times 4410. 1266. 60. Right. Minus 3/5 times 4410.
That's two.
Minus 5/9 times 4410.
Negative 24150.
250.
450.
Now I hope 2/9 times 5670 is 1260.
Yeah.
Yes.
Minus a half times this.
2835.
And then lastly 5 sevens times this.
4050.
4050. Okay?
Yeah.
Then I'll do row 1 minus row 2 and put the answer on row 2. Okay, let's do that. And again, I'll need... I'm keeping row 1 the same. 1260 minus 2646 minus 2450. 0. Okay, what's minus 2646 plus... Because it's minus minus. 2835. What do we get? 189. And then minus 2450 minus 4050. 0065. Like this, isn't it? Okay. Now. Now. Tell me, can 189 divide into 2646? 14. Nice. So I'll multiply this by 14. Or is it possible that each of these can be divided by 189? That would be better, actually. Yeah, does 189 go into each of these?
No.
No, okay. So I'll multiply the second one by 14. Can you tell me what we get? 1260 minus 2646 minus 2450. 0. 2646. And the last one?
9130.
9130. 9130. 3 zeros.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this.
I think it's minus.
Minus. Right, lastly, nearly finished. Row 1 plus row 2, and I'll put the answer on row 1. Okay, so what do I get? 0, 2646 minus 9100. 1260. 0, and then if you add these together, what do you get? Minus a big number.
Minus 934.
Like this. Yeah?
Yeah.
And lastly, I'll do row 1 divided by 1260 and row 2 divided by 2646. So now I have 1001 minus 93450 over 1260 and minus 91000 over 2646. Do they simplify?
No.
No, they stay like this?
No.
No,
You
no.
can't say.
445 over
6.
minus, and then y equals minus
18200 over 5.
18200
529
over 529. Are you sure?
I think so. Is it?
No, 6,000.
No, that's not right.
2645, right? Over 2645.
No, 2646.
46?
65.
6500.
Yeah, 6500
Over 189.
over 189. That's correct.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So like,
Mm.
another, I'm confused like at the point like, so like, I was doing this, but like, I don't know how to try to get 90x.
Which one?
The same problem.
What do you mean? How they got 90?
Like at the beginning. So like, this is what they used to simplify so they got the same answer.
Yeah, but let me see. You want to know what the first step was? 90. Oh, they just multiplied by a different number. Possibly a smaller number. I'm not sure what number though. Let's see it again. They got a 90. Well, what you could do to figure it out is do 90 divided by 2/7. Then you can see what maybe it is the number they multiplied by.
25 minutes left.
Well,
Just make
it's a good one. It's a good one. Okay. What do you need to see next?
It's 6.
6, yeah.
5 minutes
Number
left.
7, C.
Yeah. What?
What's happening?
She's asking you what page. Page 6, 7C.
7?
Well, 7, page 6.
7C?
Well, all of 7, really. Page 6. Okay. Can I scroll down?
Later. Give me a
Can you
second.
see?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Have you got that?
No.
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 Teacher, is this all of the in the YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will check it.
Okay. Can I scroll down?
Yes.
Next one. Page 6, question 7. Let's have a look. Page 6, question 7. Consider the line L, which is the... Son, what's wrong? Come on. Son, please. I'm talking. Consider the line L, which is the x-axis, and the line K, which is that. All right, so let me draw this here. X, Y. So line L is the x-axis here. Line K is y equals 2x minus 4. That's line K. And you know what this point is. What is it? Yeah, which is what? Come on, I just said it. Y equals 2x minus 4. So what's this point? Minus 4, okay. Don't kill yourselves answering me. And what's this point here then? 2. Yeah? Fine, okay. Next now. What is the equation of line L dash that passes through 4, 4 and is parallel to L? So I have a line here which passes through 4, 4. Yeah, so what is it? The equation is y equals 4. And by the way, what is this equation? I never wrote it down. Y equals 0. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is the equation of the line k dash that passes through the origin and is parallel to k? So it's a line that looks like this.
Mm-hmm.
It's parallel to k, so what's its slope? 2, because, yeah, so it's y equals 2x. Okay? Now, we could figure out this point. Let's think about this. This is on the line y equals 4. So what is the y value here? 4. So what must the x have been? 2, which is directly above this 2. So it's kind of looks like that.
Yeah.
And this here is the point 24. What are the 4 vertices? Okay, so I have one of them already. Of the parallelogram here. Right, so there's the first one, 2, 4. Right, what's this one? 0, 0. Right, what's this one? 2, 0. Now, we can figure out this one quite easily. Watch. As I move from this point to this point, how do I change the x? I add 2, and how do I change the y?
4.
Add 4. Logically, on the other side of the parallelogram, to move from this point to this point, you must do the same process. So here, if you add 2 to the x, then what would be the x here? It will be 4. And here, if you add 4 to the y, what would be? No. It's 4. The way you move from 0, 0 to 2, 4 will be the same way you move from 2, 0. It's the same, what we call transformation. The same movement. Yeah? So the 4 vertices are 0, 0, 2, 4, 2, 0, 4, 4.
Yeah.
Are the 4 vertices. Okay? That was a tricky one. If you didn't get it, please write it down. Right. What I want to do now with you, oh, well, is there any more problems? I think those were the hardest questions in the homework, weren't they? Yeah. Were there any more problems?
No.
No. Okay, what I want to do now, let's just see if you can do some exam questions. So let's open this up here. Okay. Let us see. Right. Okay, let's have a look at an exam question. Right, off you go. You have 3 minutes. It's counting down. Well, it'll take you less than 3 minutes, but let's see. Got it? Yeah. This is a straightforward one. You got an answer? No? Let's see your answer. That's okay. 1 minute left. I'm seeing people are getting answers now. Do you all have an answer? Yeah? Okay. So David, what answer did you get?
Y equals 2/3x
Yeah.
plus 2.3.
You gave it as a decimal. Yeah. Do you still have it as a fraction?
No.
They usually have the answer as a fraction. Let's have a look. So, yeah, 2/3x plus 7/3. You all got that? Good job. Okay. Parallel and perpendicular. Let's see if you can do an exam question from this. There you go. Off you go.
So sorry.
Okay.
Teacher, nice answer always is
Not nice.
not see the beautiful.
Ah,
The
that's
number.
alright. That's alright. That's alright.
When after the result, I always is conference.
They don't always make it work nicely, so. Two minutes left. You have it, Marwan? That's good, because I'll ask you for the answer. Are you confident? Mhm. Okay, do we all have answers?
It's
Yeah, Marwan, what's the answer?
Y equal 7/5x plus 38/5.
Do we think he's right or wrong?
Yeah.
Let's check.
Yeah.
Good man. Right, let's see. Okay, off you go. Does this question say which method to use? No, any method. You got answers? Yeah? Well, those times I put on the questions are the recommended time to do the question in the exam. So if you get it done in less than this time, then that's obviously a good thing. It looks like you all have it done. Who will I pick for the answer? Abdul Ali. Got an answer? Yeah. What do we think?
Yes.
3 and minus 4?
Yes.
Good man. Right. I think this one, there's a very easy question. Yeah, okay. Multiply those two for me. That's all. I hear some people finished. Yes?
Probably.
I would hope it's okay. You don't need 3 minutes for this, I think, right? Okay, let's have a look.
Wait.
Oh. not so great, I guess.
Yes, now.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Right. Who will give us the answer? Danny, you have it?
Yes.
What you get?
X cubed
Yeah.
plus x squared
Yeah.
plus 4x plus 4.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Did you say plus here?
No, no, no.
That's okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Oh no, we still have surds and complete the square. Oh, be strong. Right, off you go.
Teacher, can I bring to the two calculator
Yeah,
to the
Yeah,
exam?
yeah.
Two calculators.
Yes,
Because I really want to use the big calculator first.
that's fine. That's fine.
Cannot use 4? Cannot use 4 for the calculator?
Isn't calculator.
Huh? Cannot?
You can use any calculator.
For the 4 calculator.
Huh?
Calculator in the 4.
What do you mean?
In the mobile phone.
Oh no, that one. You have an answer, Danny?
Yes. No.
It's not that big.
I'm okay.
No, I know that. You're Peter. Yes. You finished me?
Yeah.
Okay, I know there's 2 minutes left, but maybe some of you are finished already. Yeah? Abdulladi, you're finished it? Yeah? David?
No,
Not yet? Jeffrey? You're finished? What did you, so well, Jeffrey will give us the answer. What you got, Jeffrey?
180 plus 16
Root.
root is 16.
No, not this.
Yeah.
Not this.
Nine.
What did you get?
190.
What did you get, Peter?
It's like 180 plus 32 root 15.
Correct. What you get, Ming?
It's the same. Yeah, it's the same.
It's the one.
118 plus 16 root 16.
Oh yeah, you should simplify the surd. Yeah.
Same.
Yeah. No, but no, look. Guys, look. Guys, look
Oh,
at the marks.
I
You got one mark here, 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 and here. If you leave your answer like this, you don't get the last mark.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Good.
No, I'll give you a different one. Yeah. This is our last one we'll do today. Complete the square and show that, hence show that it's positive. they want you to show that this is more than 0. Remember we did that earlier today. More than 0.
More than.
Yeah, that's what it means. It's positive. More than 0.
So it's more than 0.
Mm-hmm.
To prove?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did this today.
Yeah, good.
But what?
Okay,
Hey.
fine.
You got it? Jeffrey?
I'm not sure of trans.
Okay. You have it, Abdul Rahman?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
You think? Okay, Abdul Rahman, what is the completed square form?
it's x plus 1 squared.
X plus 1.
Minus
Oh, don't know about that. Don't know about that.
Minus
minus 1.
Go for it, Ming. What is it?
x minus 1 square plus 4.
Plus 4.
Yeah, yeah.
Why is that positive?
Because it's more than 4.
The minimum.
Yeah, okay, it's more than 4, yeah. So if we look at the answer, yes. X minus 1 squared plus 4, that's 2 marks. And then this is more than 4, which is more than 0.
Yeah.
1 mark. Yes? Easy peasy?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
finish.
Wait a second.
Yes, finished.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
for fun.
Yes, finished.
Thank you for this long week.
It is a long week, wasn't it?
Thank you for teaching.
Yes.
So much class. This
So,
week.
so